that start with the letter H. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go! H is for hippo, big and gray, playing in rivers all through the day. H is for horse, so strong and fast, galloping freely, racing past. H is for hawk with eyes so bright, soaring above in the morning light. H is for hamster, tiny and sweet, hiding seeds for a tasty treat. H is for hedgehog, spiky and small, rolling up tight like a little ball. H is for heron, long and slim, fishing quietly near the rim. H, animals today, let's sing and learn and play. H, come and say, learning is fun the Happy Songland way. H is for hummingbird, buzzing its wings, drinking nectar while it sings. H is for hyena, laughing loud, running together in a spotted crowd. H is for hairy, quick as the breeze, jumping and hopping with so much ease. H is for hornbill, colorful beak, flying to trees, that's where they peak. H is for hermit crab, shy and slow, carrying his house wherever he goes. H is for husky, fluffy and strong, pulling the sled and singing a song. H, what a day, we learned and laughed and played. H, hip hip hooray, learning is fun the Happy Songland way. Amazing work, friends! Now you know the animals that start with H. Hippo, horse, hawk, hamster, hedgehog, heron, hummingbird, hyena, hornbill, hermit crab, and husky. See you next time in Happy Songland. Hey kids, let's learn the animals that start with the letter I. Ready? Let's go! I is for iguana, green and bright, climbing trees from day to night. I is for impala, jumping high, running free beneath the sky. I is for ibex, mountain goat, standing tall on rocky slopes. I is for ibis, long red beak, wading in rivers sleek and chic. I is for Icelandic pony, strong and small, trotting proudly, giving its all. I is for island fox, cute and quick, hiding behind a palm tree trick. Animals today, let's sing and learn and play. I, come and say, learning is fun the Happy Songland way. I is for Irish setter, running fast, chasing butterflies as they pass. I is for ice seal, sliding near, playing on ice with winter cheer. I is for in dry, lemur tall, calling loudly to his friends and all. I is for insect, tiny and sweet, buzzing softly, dancing to the beat. I is for Indian elephant, strong and wise, marching proudly under blue skies. I is for island bird, singing clear, spreading joy for all to hear. What a day, we learned and laughed and played. Hip hip hooray, learning is fun the Happy Songland way. Great job! Now you know so many animals that start with I. Iguana, impala, ibex, ibis, Icelandic pony, island fox, Irish setter, ice seal, indri, insect, Songland.
Hey kids, let's learn the animals that start with the letter J. Ready? Let's go!
J is for Jaguar, fast and strong, sneaking through the jungle all day long. J is for Jellyfish in the sea, glowing bright for you and me. J is for Jackal, smart and sly, running beneath the desert sky. J is for Jaybird, blue and loud, singing its song to every crowd. J is for Gerbil, small and quick, jumping around with a funny trick. J is for Jackrabbit, long tall ears, hopping fast and full of cheer. J, animals today, let's sing and learn and play. J, come and say, learning is fun the Happy Songland way. J is for jungle, winter bird, singing softly, barely heard. J is for Japanese macaque, snowy monkey with the rosy back. J is for jackdaw, shiny black, flying in flocks that never look back. J is for jackfish, swimming fast, chasing bubbles that never last. J is for jungle cat, fierce and neat, hiding quietly in the heat. J is for Javan rhino, rare to see, strong and gentle as can be. J, what today we lay, learn and laugh and play. J, hip, hip, hooray, learning is fun the Happy Songland way. Great work, everyone! Now you know so many animals that start with J. Jaguar, jellyfish, jackal, jaybird, gerbil, jackrabbit, junco, Japanese macaque, jackdaw, jackfish, jungle cat, and Javan rhino. See you next time in Happy Songland.
Hey kids! Let's learn the animals that start with the letter K. Ready? Let's go!
K is for kangaroo, hopping high, bouncing fast beneath the sky. K is for koala, soft and sweet, sleeping in trees and eating to eat. K is for kingfisher, bright and blue, diving for fish like it loves to do. K is for kookaburra, laughing loud, echoing songs that make us proud. K is for kiwi, can't really fly, a funny bird from lands nearby. K is for kudu, horns so wide, running with grace and jungle pride. K, animals today, let's sing and learn and play. K, come and say, learning is fun the Happy Songland way. K is for kitten, soft and small, chasing a ball down the hall. K is for Como, dragon, big and bold, friendly lizard from islands old. K is for king crab, claws so wide, walking sideways by the tide. K is for killer whale, black and white, jumping high in ocean light. K is for kangaroo, rat, tiny and quick, hopping and hiding, what a trick. K is for kakapo, green and round, the funniest parrot ever found. K, what a day, we learned and laughed and played. K, hip hip hooray, learning is fun the Happy Songland way. Great job, friends! Now you know the animals that start with K. Koala, kingfisher, kookaburra, kiwi, kudu, kitten, komodo, dragon, king crab, killer whale, kangaroo, rat, and kakapo. See you next time in Happy Songland.
Hey kids, let's learn the animals that start with the letter L. Ready? Let's go!
L is for lion, brave and strong, roaring
everyone. Now you know the animals that start with L. Lion, lemur, llama, leopard, lobster, ladybug, lynx, lizard, lorikeet, lobos, lamprey, and lapwing. See you next time in Happy Songland. Hey kids, let's learn the animals that start with the letter M. Ready? Let's go! M is for monkey, climbing trees, swinging and laughing in the breeze. M is for moose with its antlers wide, walking proudly side by side. M is for mouse, tiny and fast, running through the field so fast. M is for meerkat, standing tall, watching closely, guarding all. M is for macaw, colors bright, flying high in the morning light. M is for moth, wings that glow, fluttering gently to and fro. Animals today. Let's sing and learn and play. Come and say, learning is fun, the Happy Songland way. M is for magpie, clever and loud, building nests that make it proud. M is for manatee, calm and slow, swimming where the rivers flow. M is for mole, underground, digging tunnels all around. M is for mongoose, quick and sly, running fast as time goes by. M is for mountain goat, climbing high, touching clouds up in the sky. M is for mandrill, bright and strong, dancing happily all day long. Animals today. Let's sing and learn and play. Come and say, learning is fun, the Happy Songland way. Great work, everyone. Now you know the animals that start with M. Monkey, moose, mouse, meerkat, macaw, moth, magpie, manatee, mole, mongoose, mountain goat, and mandrill. See you next time in Happy Songland. Hey kids, let's learn the animals that start with the letter N. Ready? Let's go! N is for narwhal, swimming by, with a long white tusk held high. N is for newt, orange and small, crawling slowly by the wall. N is for nightingale, singing clear, sweet soft songs for all to hear. N is for numbat, striped
Great work, everyone. Now you know the animals that start with N.
Narwhal, newt, nightingale, numbat, Llama, nighthawk, nautilus, man-made, needlefish, night, monkey, nurse, shark, and northern cardinal.
See you next time in Happy Songland.